Election day has arrived, and one statewide race could have far-reaching political consequences. Fox 43's Marcia Keeley joining us now here in the studio to break down the race and how it could impact future state Supreme Court decisions.
It could, and Evan, political experts say this court could make some significant rulings in just the coming year here. And the question is now, who will take the final open seat on the state's high court? A Republican and a Democrat are squaring off today in a critical statewide race. Republican Judge Carolyn Carluccio and Democratic Judge Daniel McCaffrey are running to replace the late Justice Max Baer in the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. No matter the outcome, Democratic justices will outnumber Republican justices at the bench, but the margin matters.
It is a significant election.
Former federal judge and Dickinson College president John E. Jones says the open seat will come at a cost. Combined campaign spending topped out at more than $22 million, believed to be a record-breaking figure for any PA Supreme Court race.
There's a lot of money in this race. There's a lot of what we would call dark money or special interest groups that have fueled, for example, the negative ads. I worry that voters haven't had an opportunity to really learn about these candidates in any positive way.
McCaffrey is a 59-year-old state appellate court judge and former Philadelphia prosecutor. 63-year-old Carluccio, who serves as a judge in Montgomery County, is a former federal prosecutor. The winner could be asked to make far-reaching political decisions in the coming years.
Abortion has been one that has motivated a lot of voters since the Dobbs decision, and the Supreme Court is the arbiter of what is constitutional in Pennsylvania. So there may be constitutionality questions that come with any restrictions on access to abortion that could come.
You can speculate as to what might happen, what laws could be passed that the court would have to address. But right now, I think that that's really a false indicator of, the worthiness of a particular candidate.
While the court has decided congressional districts in Pennsylvania, political experts say its biggest decisions may be related to next year's presidential election. The court may be called upon to address Act 77, the election law that has allowed no-excuse mail-in voting across the state.
There's a lot of other questions that are not clear in the election code about things like what's called ballot curing, which is, let's say you hand in one of those mail ballots, they open it up, they find out that there's something wrong on it. Can the election officials contact you and have you fix your ballot or not?
This court will end up having to pass judgment on some loopholes and gray areas in that law that the legislature has not cured, and I don't think they will cure.
And right now, Democrats hold a 4-2 advantage over Republicans on the state Supreme Court. And of course, lots of other races to keep an eye on this election day, Evan.